What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoBrick.com, and I've got a confession to make. I'm addicted. I've got an addiction. I'm addicted to peanut butter. I'm one of those guys that you got to be careful with because I'll open that jar of peanut butter, put my spoon in there, and take out way more than a single serving. I feel like I'm not alone in this addiction. Many of y'all may struggle with the same problem. I'm dieting down right now. My calories are dropping a little bit, and I've just been craving peanut butter. But I haven't allowed myself that luxury because I'd go overboard with it. So instead, I made a new brick. This bad boy we lovingly call peanut butter Tallow-Lujah because it tastes like angels dancing on the tip of your tongue. It's that good. Unlike peanut butter, if you were to have 1,000 calories in peanut butter, your carbs would be too high. The fat source isn't that great if it's coming exclusively from peanut butter, and there's not that much protein. This brick tastes just like peanut butter. It's made with grass-fed tallow, and it's sporting the typical 1,000 calories of quality nutrition that Keto Brick offers. So that's what we got going on there. What else is new about this particular flavor is that we have found a local peanut butter manufacturer. We're getting all of our peanut butter from him for this particular flavor. We went and toured his facility. His name's Austin at Natural Way. Super awesome guy. And I just wanted to put his peanut butter in our bricks. So it's kind of a great way to cross-pollinate the brands there. You will be able to taste a difference with this peanut butter. Like, it tastes markedly better. This brick tastes just like peanut butter, and it's made again with that grass-fed tallow. So you're getting all the quality fats from that, plus the quality of local peanut butter, plus more protein than you would be able to get from just peanut butter alone. So if you're a peanut butter addict like myself, get you one of these bad boys and enjoy every single bite. We're going to be launching this on April 27th at noon Central, KetoBrick.com. Get them while you can. We've been ramping up our tallow production, as y'all know. They've been selling out crazy fast. The last flavor we launched, cookie dough, sold out in 24 minutes. We made more of these than we did cookie dough, so hopefully everybody gets a chance to try them. If you love them, let us know. We'll keep the flavor in stock. We'll keep making more of it if you like it. So that's all I got to say for now. I'm about to chow down on this beautiful brick. I will see y'all next time.